certainly striking to see just how many different legal issues that AI touches upon. And privacy and cybersecurity, which we're talking about today, is very much at the forefront of these legal discussions surrounding AI. And there are a couple of reasons for this. Primarily, data is the fuel behind AI, both the input and the output. And when we think about the very way that AI functions, it's often trained on personal information that's collected from a vast number of sources. This could be through web scraping or from users interacting with an AI system, or even through data sharing initiatives. Given the huge volumes of data that are processed by AI systems, it's really not surprising then that there are a host of new privacy and security risks and challenges that companies need to consider when deploying this technology. This situation starts to get complicated when we really look at the intersection between AI, privacy, and security. For one thing, privacy principles don't neatly align with the needs of AI, and we're going to look at some of those tensions in a second. But also, privacy laws are not fully equipped to deal with this issue. Most of the laws that we'll talk about today were not designed with AI in mind, and now we're really seeing a trend of regulators trying to work backwards and really retrofit the application of these laws to a novel tech landscape. In parallel, AI-specific laws are nascent, which makes compliance in this area even more challenging, and it's not even clear which regulators have jurisdiction to enforce in this area. We've seen data protection authorities start to exercise their powers in relation to AI, but we're also seeing an increasing number of sectoral regulators, particularly in the financial sector and the telecommunications space, trying to assert competence over this area. It is important to remember, though, that like other forms of technology, businesses are not waiting around for laws to pass before they adopt AI systems. Companies are really racing to get that first mover advantage and to innovate with this technology to increase both productivity and profitability. And according to one recent study that I read, the AI market is projected to reach $184 billion in 2024. So there's really a lot at stake here. And so while lawmakers and regulators try to get a handle on AI technology, we're really seeing a trend in companies where AI matters routinely land in the lap of the privacy office. And this makes sense when you think about it, as AI involves the use of data, and CPOs and privacy legal teams are good at thinking about new frontier issues involving data.